Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, and this time we are going to install the support app for the smartwatch. Obviously, as you can see here, it is using the Zordai support app. So we are going to pair it with our ZD8 Ultra Pro, and if you notice here, the Zordai application, okay, it is becoming one of the popular application for premium watch ultra clone smartwatch. Okay, so Zordai support app. So we have here the back, the QR code. Okay, or we can just search it in Android, Google Play, or iOS platform and just install the app. So we are going to have a demo on the installation of the support app. If you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. Go to Google Play and search for the Zordai application. Okay, Zordai. So let's search. Okay, it's now looking for the application. So let's wait. Okay, so we have here the application. It's now over 50,000 downloads. Okay, so let's check. So 50k downloads. Okay, no ratings yet. It's a very new app. So tap on install. Okay, let's deactivate first the Bluetooth here and the GPS. Okay, let's clean our notifications here. It's now downloading the application. Okay, it's almost finished now, and it's now installing the application. Again, as you can see here, we turned off our GPS as well as the Bluetooth connectivity. We'll see if it will activate our Bluetooth connection on the support app. Okay, so it's now installing. Okay, checking for security issues, and it's done. Zordai version 1.2.845 MB. So tap on open. Okay, so here just agree, and we have here, so you have an option to email login, password login, get verification code, or you can use here, okay, the Google, okay, third-party login, or the guest mode. So let's try this guest mode if we can log in using this one. Okay, login successful. Okay, so let's wait. Here, Zordai app needs to collect location data to identify your location so that you can enable motion trails. Okay, maybe this is the GPS. So Zordai, to access this device's location, just tap on allow. Okay, allow Zordai to access photos, media, and files on your device, and allow. Okay, then tap on OK. So here on the bottom part, we have health, sports, device, and me for the profile. Okay, so let's tap on the device, tap on add device. Please turn on your Bluetooth first. Okay, so here it is opening our Bluetooth. Okay, connectivity. Okay, activate it, then go back, then again tap on add device. Now it is looking for the smartwatch. So we have here Zordai, okay, smartwatch. Let's see if it's our Zordai smartwatch. Okay, let's go to the about section of our smartwatch. Okay, it's not here. Let's see. Okay, info. So we have here 163A. Okay, do you see it? 7DCD, the MAC address. So tap on it to connect. It's now connecting. It's now pairing. During the pair, okay. Okay, we are paired successfully. Very fast. as you can see in just a few seconds. It is detected that the watch audio Bluetooth is not connected. Is it connected? Okay. So we will check on that. So we have an upgrade. So pair to connect. Okay. So here, another permission. Allow access to your contacts and call history. Pair. I guess we don't have a choice right now but to upgrade the firmware here. We'll see if it will upgrade. Okay, but first let's check Zordai. Connected. More settings. So okay, seems like everything's okay. Okay, so we are connected here. And let's proceed to app notifications. Okay. Okay, automatically it opens. Okay, activate. Okay. Then allow notification access for the Zordai. Allow. And go back. Okay, so let's activate our application here. WhatsApp. What else? SMS. Let's see if we do have it here. Messaging. Okay. Phone. Okay. Contacts. Dialer. Calendar. Okay. Seems like everything's okay. Okay. Already activated it here. And going back. Okay. Incoming calls. Another permission. Allow Zordai to access your phone call logs. Okay, manage phone calls, allow it. Access your contacts, just allow it. And it's okay now. Okay, Bluetooth call, we have it here, the settings. And that's it. So we have here the watch face section. Okay, the camera, incoming calls. Here on the device section of your dashboard. SMS, let's activate this one. Allow Zordai to send and view SMS messages. Okay. So we have here a firmware version. Let's check. Okay. So it will be upgraded to 1.8.66. Okay, as you can see, our ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch do have a technical support and an upgrade for its software, unlike other smartwatches that when you receive it, there's no more update for your wearable. Okay, let's check this one, the App Store. Okay, so you can install additional application. Hopefully, they will add more here, okay, on this support app in the App Store. Okay, so unlike other support app, there's no option for this one. Okay, it's a new, okay, feature for this type of support app. Okay, the Zordai support app. Okay, so that's it in installing and pairing, connecting your ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch to the Zordai support app, a step-by-step process in Android platform. Okay, so next, on our next video about the watch faces, and we will have also the App Store video, okay, tutorial. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding this video review or tutorial for the connection or installing of the Zordai support app for the ZD8 Ultra Pro smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.